guys, it's Kayla today and I'm here with another video. This video is featuring my distressed locks. This is the process of how I retwist them. First I'm starting off by just showing you guys how I did it. I started off by cutting the end and then I attempted to unravel. Some are easier to unravel than others just because some are just a little more tighter, and I don't know, some just get real tangled and it's just really the struggle. I'm not even gonna hold you up, but it's a fairly simple process. Just watch and it's very self-explanatory. Here I am showing you at another angle. This angle is very unnecessary now that I'm looking at it, but you know, it's not hurting anybody, so hey. Do you see me, like, how hard I'm pulling it? When I tell you I had to use all my strength to pull them hairs apart, like, it was bad. It was bad. If you're used to braiding hair, you know how bad it can get. And when I tell you it got that bad, it got that bad. It was horrible. Ugh, and I got some hair in my mouth. Just, when you do this, hair will be everywhere. I'm so sorry. I think I'm beginning to retwist. I'm using jam. You can get this jam literally anywhere. I'm pretty sure they also sell it at like Dollar General or something. You can literally find it anywhere. Any beauty supply, Meijer, Walmart, anywhere. First, I moisturize the hair strand. You know, I told y'all before, I'm kind of lazy. So when I do the retwist, I don't take out each braid individually. Like, that just seems, it's doing too much. No, I'm not. I keep the braid in. I just take the hair out and then I add the hair back in, a fresh piece of hair. I feed the hair through the braid using a crochet. I comb out the ends of the hair to make sure it's just, I don't know, what's it called, spread out, teasing it. I tease it. I am measuring the length that I want it. I take out one of my locks that I already have to try to copy that length. Now I'm going through with the twisting. It doesn't matter which direction you twist. I know some people are really picky. I used to date this dreadhead, and every time I used to retwist his hair, he used to like cuss me out because I used to retwist it like the wrong way. But it really doesn't matter because if it's locked, it's going to lock regardless. I mean, these aren't real locks, so it's a little different. But either way, it really doesn't matter which way you twist it. It's going to look like a lock at the end of the day. I'm just retwisting it. Oh, the most important part, to make it look distressed, I do the loop method. This video is not a tutorial on how to do locks, so I would try to explain it as much as I can, but I'm really not the ideal person to explain it. Basically, it's pinch out a piece of hair, and then the hair that you're using to wrap it, you keep pinching that piece, and then you wrap the hair around that piece, so like there'll be like a loop sticking out of that lock. And that's how you get the distressed look. It doesn't have to be perfect because remember, this is distressed. It's supposed to look rough, as it will. But once all the pieces come together, it don't look bad, I promise. Once you look at one, you'll be like, the fuck? But once it all comes together, it really looks cute, y'all. When it gets towards the end, I pinch the end and then I start wrapping my way back up. And once I get the little piece, like the end is out, the very, very end piece, I burn that piece in the lock and I just kind of smooth it out with the end of the lighter. Not my fingers, because I ain't trying to, I ain't going to burn my finger. But I do smooth it out with the lighter just to make sure it's stuck in place. Here I am doing another one. I'm pretty sure I explained it to the best of my ability. So now, just watch. It's very self-explanatory. I also use edge control on my edges. You can use any edge control. I use the even because I feel like that works really well with my hair, and that's what I had at the time. Also make sure that you keep your hair parts. Like I said, I'm not taking down the braids, but you can't just, I don't know, throw the hair in it and think it's going to look good. You have to re-part your hair a little bit, like move the hairs out of the way, because as your hair grows, you know, it kind of starts to look a little rough, very rough, which is exactly why I'm redoing it. But I repart the hair. I use the edge control to like smooth the hairs down to what lock they're supposed to go into. Like I smooth it in the direction of the lock it's supposed to go into.
but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home you a motherfucking porn star, so God. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and then come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No, not for no 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about us, about you as real as they come. But you would rather be on.
Excuse my face. This is my concentration face. When I'm really concentrating on a task, my face just be looking real dumb.
Drugs. And I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that. You blow that well. Where that throw that. You better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me.
You always wearing them glasses. You don't wanna let no sucker look you in your eyes, huh? Better charge them eyelashes. You love what you do with a passion. Ooh, that shit attractive. I fuck with you, girl.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Ooh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, yeah. Baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Ooh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400. I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, so we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, cause you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hickey. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you sticky. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe.
You don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shorty on. Go, go, go.
One side is done. We doing a comparison. Look at that side and look at this side. Woo, child. That's rough as hell. Hell no. I can't wait to do the other side.
The last one, thank God. Because this is just such a tedious process. Honestly, everything in life is a tedious process. But this right here, very fucking tedious.
She said, you can't know what I've done. You can't go where I'm from. from. Your lips can lie, but your eyes can't hide. You're too young. You're too young. How I adore our love would be so true. I just wish you knew. I'd be all yours if my mind didn't wander. I've got scars from my life before you. Please don't think I'm insecure. I just can't trust no one else.
And I'm done retwisting all the locs. I'm only doing the front row because, as I told you, I'm a little bit lazy. And just thinking about doing the rest of my hair, it kind of stressed me out. I did not want to do it. And I just retwisted it. Purpose of this video, I took my locs down literally a day after I made this video. So this video is for y'all. I just took all of my hair out of the ponytail, shook my hair, see, make sure everything's looking straight. It's looking nice, y'all. Now I'm just gonna go and do my edges, make sure that I look cute as hell, okay? Cause we can't have fresh locks and then nappy edges.
Please don't think I'm insecure. I just feel safe by myself. She said, you can't know where I've gone or how far I've run.
Now I'm just wrapping my edges for you guys. Well, not for you guys, for me, because I'll be damned if I did my edges and didn't wrap them and them bitches started melting or something. Hell no, we gonna make sure them bitches stay intact, okay? Laid down. I didn't get a final look after I took my scarf off. I apologize, but I will be posting pictures and videos that I have with this hairstyle so y'all can see how everything turned out.
There's a reason why I can't apply all of me.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you would like more tutorials, hair tutorials, I'm not exactly good at my hair, but I'll be trying. So I will make more videos if that's what y'all want. Let me know.
Ooh,